C4110 ATF. This is the Scalextric box set. It's called the Legends. And this is the BMW. This is really a sweet set. BMW Team Jagermeister. I think it's Jagermeister. Jagermeister. And these are a 2-box set car. Check those babies out. Aren't they beautiful?
Gucci,
okay,
baby. Gucci.
So we're going to take one of these out. I'm going to try to be very careful so that I do not ruin it. Now, these are DPR ready. This will work on your digital system. So if you buy this, these are digital. These can be digitized. All right. And this is a 2-car set, 3,000 limited edition, worldwide. You get 2 cars, 19 and 20.
Man, those are, as my daughter would say, Gucci.
And this is the DPR chip. This is where your DPR chip will go right here. You plug that in, and you're all ready to go. Take off the body.
How's this open up? Is that a screw? Or
I don't want to do that. This is a limited edition.
That's the limited edition.
If you watch some of my other videos on the other cars, it will show you how I do that. But this is a 2-car set, a limited edition. There's only a few number of them.
And this is some of the, what are these?
The extra guide braids. Those are extra guide braids.
Blades or braids?
Braids.
Oh, braids.
Braids and a braid and the blade. It's the whole kit.
This is Gucci.
Okay, I don't know where you're coming up with the name Gucci.
That's my daughter's.
Well, I don't care about what your daughter said.
It's like
all right, so that is the, and that is C, the, what is that? C4110A. 2-box set, Legends. And they come in a nice little bubble wrapped. And then they come inside of another box, and then I ship them in another box. So I try to give you a good packing on this, so you get them in good shape. And this is another item at ProTinkerToys.com, ProTinkerToys.com. This is a box set by Scalextric, another item from Scalextric, another item from SCX. Thank you and have a great day. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and also give us thumbs up. And be ready for the next thing. Bye.
And
I'm trying to give you all these poses you always want.
They gotta be with the car, otherwise it's pointless.
Hey, have a nice day. Goodbye. Hey, thank you for coming. Don't forget to buy at SCX. What a great car, huh? Have fun racing. You want to kill your wife? All right, one last one. I want to do this TCR.